and ready to race. And the rope, Unchanging Warrior by the rail, and right here, right now, moving up to grab the lead. It is now right here, right now in the lead, followed by Unchanging Warrior by the rail. Yes, Pogi. And moving up on the farther outside is Winning Bid and Lakota Creek, Si Senor, and Nine Dragon. Heading for the backstretch, the lead is taken over now by Winning Bid, followed by right here, right now, and Lakota Creek moving up on the outside. Yes, Pogi, Unchanging Warrior, and Si Senor, Nine Dragon. And at the mid backstretch, it is still Winning Bid in the lead, followed by Lakota Creek right here, right now. Si Senor moving up on the farther outside. Yes, Pogi, Unchanging Warrior, and Nine Dragon. And nearing the pattern, it's Lakota Creek in the lead. Si Senor moving up on the outside. It's now Si Senor in the lead, followed by Lakota Creek, Winning Bid right here, right now, moving up by the rail. Yes, Pogi, Unchanging Warrior, Nine Dragon. Si Senor leading the field by a length and a half, followed by Winning Bid. It's Si Senor in the lead, Lakota Creek, Winning Bid on the outside. Yes, Pogi right here, right now. The last bend for home. The lead is taken over now by Yes, Pogi. And into the home stretch, it is now Yes, Pogi in the lead, followed by Si Senor in second. Lakota Creek right here, right now, Winning Bid. Into the home stretch and nearing the payoff line, it is still Yes, Pogi. It's Yes, Pogi in the lead, followed by Lakota Creek, Si Senor right here, right now, Winning Bid, Unchanging Warrior, and Nine Dragon. And finally, at the payoff line, it's Yes, Pogi, Lakota Creek, right here, right now, Si Senor, Winning Bid, Unchanging Warrior, Nine Dragon.